In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Intercom Messenger on certain pages. If you want the chat bubble to appear across your site, but stay out of the way on specific pages, like pricing, checkout, or a focused landing page, this walkthrough is for you. We're not turning the messenger off entirely. We're simply controlling where the launcher icon appears so it doesn't distract from key conversion moments. Start by signing in to your Intercom dashboard and head straight to Settings. From there, open Channels, then Messenger, and choose Web. This is where all the controls for your website messenger live. You'll see a section called Show the Messenger Launcher. That's the little chat bubble your visitors click to open a conversation. We're going to tell Intercom when to show it by using display conditions. Click to add display conditions. These conditions let you define the exact pages where the launcher should or shouldn't appear. In the first drop-down, choose Current Page URL. This tells Intercom to look at the visitor's URL to decide if the launcher should be visible. Next, set the operator to Does Not Contain. In the Value field, enter the path you want to exclude. For example, to hide the launcher on your pricing page, type pricing. That means the launcher will show anywhere the URL does not contain the word pricing, effectively hiding it on pages like yoursite.com pricing or yoursite.com product/pricing details. You don't need to add the full domain or protocol, just use a keyword or the path segment like pricing or pash pricing. Keep it simple and match what you actually see in the URL. If you have multiple pages to exclude, add more display conditions using the same pattern. For instance, add another condition where current page URL does not contain checkout to hide it on your checkout flow as well. By stacking these does not contain rules, you can keep the launcher off any set of pages you choose while leaving it visible everywhere else. When you're done, click Save and Publish. Give it a moment to update. To verify, open those excluded pages in a new browser window or an incognito tab and refresh. You should see that the launcher icon is hidden on the pages matching your exclusions and still visible on the rest of your site. That's it. With a few targeted display conditions, you can keep the Intercom Messenger launcher exactly where it helps and out of the way where it doesn't.